सीढ़ी उन्हें मुबारक हो जिन्हें छत तक जाना है। सीढ़ी उन्हें मुबारक हो जिन्हें छत तक जाना है। अपना अपनी मंजिल तो आसमां है, रास्ता हमें खुद बनाना है। इंस्टीट्यूट द एटमॉस्फेयर ऑफ दिस इंस्टीट्यूट इज सो गुड लाइक Hello friends, I am Shruti. Today I am going to express my journey. How was my English journey? There were so many up downs during my English journey. I just want to start with a positive slogan that is सीढ़ी उन्हें मुबारक हो जिन्हें छत तक जाना है। सीढ़ी उन्हें मुबारक हो जिन्हें छत तक जाना है। अपना अपनी मंजिल तो आसमां है, रास्ता हमें खुद बनाना है। अब सफलता मिले ना मिले ये तो मुकद्दर की बात है, पर हम कोशिश भी ना करें ये तो गलत बात है। एंड विद दिस पॉजिटिव स्लोगन आई एम स्टार्टिंग हाउ वाज माय इंग्लिश जर्नी. So first, when I was child, I used to spend my most of the time in my village, and their villagers used to speak local language of the village. And at that time, I thought that the speaking a local language in standard form, that is known as Khadi Boli, as considered as speaking English. So when I used to speak in a standard form of local language, they always taunted me, and always these things make me demotivated. And so there were so many misconception. There were so many misconception was in mind in that time. But I realized, came to know about the truth. Then I got admission in a CBSE school. There I knew about that speaking a local language in a standard form is another thing, and English speaking is another thing. But there is also biggest misconception in my mind was that after learning the English grammar I would be able to speak English, spoken English. But at the result what that when and at that I started learning English grammar. Learned so many rules of grammar. And but when I used to apply these rules in the spoken, sometimes they applied, sometimes they didn't apply. These things make me so much confused, and the result was that I lost my confidence, and I thought that I would never be able to speak English language again. And my school time I treated English just as a subject, that is a subject I have to get good marks in this subject. That's all from my side. But when I complete my school, and during the school I realized that English speaking is other thing, and English as a subject is other thing. So, and then after that, then Corona came. After the Corona period, my cousin her suggest me that you should join the English British. And I thought that if he is saying something is better in this thing, and I joined this institute. When I came here, firstly, if I talk about this institute, the atmosphere of this institute is so good. Like if we are not able to speak a single word, then sir doesn't say anything. That they always encourage us, then you can do it, you will definitely one day achieve that you will be able to speak English. So when I joined, then firstly my misconception has broken, like that English grammar is other thing and spoken English other thing, and while all the rules of the grammars are not applied in the in the spoken English. And if the best part of this coaching is the nature of the sir is so much friendly and courteous. Like there was an image in my mind, like sir is a sir, you can't share anything with your teacher, like you can't, and you only share the problems related to your subject, but you can't share the problem related to your life. But here, whenever I feel confused, I talk with sir, and sir always give me right suggestion that you should do this, and you should. When I ever feel like, not only in academic sector, whenever I feel so many confusion or like disturbance in my life, I talk that sir, and sir told me the right way. So like and also if I talk about my friends which are studying with me, they are also so much friendly, and they never laugh if I spoke something wrong, if I pronounce said something were wrong, they always appreciate that you will do good one day. And at the last, I want to say some words about the sir, because like sir broke the image that I have in my mind, like teacher is a teacher, you can't share anything. So there are some lines which I want to dedicate it the sir, and that's are, सर आपकी वजह से पता चला कि टीचर इतने अच्छे भी हो सकते हैं, जो पढ़ाते तो हैं पर समझाते बड़े कमाल से हैं। आपने वो सब बातें समझाई जो कोई और टीचर शायद कभी समझा ना पाता। आपने हमें उतना हंसाया, शायद एक दोस्त भी हंसा ना पाता। आपके गुस्से में भी प्यार झलकता है, आपका गुस्सा भी मजाक सा लगता है। आपके गुस्से में प्यार झलकता है, आपका गुस्सा भी मजाक सा लगता है। कोई मुझसे पूछे कि एक आइडियल टीचर कैसा होता है, मैं यकीनन कह दूंगी आप कैसा होता है, आप कैसा होता है। थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे।